Never thought that you would let me down, but I've been chilling in this empty town, all alone, and it's so sad to think that you and me would be okay, and everything you did would fade away. I just think back, we were rocking and rolling, and we were drinking and smoking, having the best days of our lives. We were chilling and vibing when both up in front of me, so drunk that you could hardly see. I just picked up my clothes and headed on home. You were messing with me, messing with my head. You were messing with me, messing with my head. You were messing with me, messing with my head. You were messing with me. And even though I'm slowly moving on, still finding words to write this song. And I wonder if you ever think about the things you did, feel a little guilty, even cry a bit. Girl, I hate it that you're still my summer. We were rocking and rolling, and we were chilling and smoking. You were my ride or die until the end. But then he's sending our misuse, and then I'm watching him kiss you, and then you're telling me he's just a friend. Yeah, you gave it up in front of me, so drunk that you could hardly see. I just picked up my clothes and headed on home. You been messing with me, messing with my head. You been messing with me, messing with my head. You been messing with me, messing with my head. You been messing with me. There's just one thing I know, so hard to let you go. There's just one thing I know, thing I know, thing I know. Yeah, we were rocking and rolling. There's just one thing I know, we were drinking so hard to let you go. Yeah, we were rocking and rolling. There's just one thing I know, we were drinking and smoking. Never thought that you would let me down. That's crazy. You been messing with me, messing with my head. You been messing with me, messing with my head.
Tina, did you have a fun birthday?
Oh my God, it was the best, the absolute best. Thank you for making it so special. Thank you for sharing your love. It was